At first glance, a garden eel colony looks like a field of underwater plants swaying gently in the current, until the plants suddenly snap back into their burrows. These mesmerizing creatures are garden eels, one of the most charming and peculiar families in the ocean. Garden eels spend nearly their entire lives half buried in the sandy seafloor. They poke out just enough to feed and sway with the current, creating the illusion of a meadow of waving stems. Each eel digs a burrow lined with mucus, which hardens into a stable tunnel. This slimy cement keeps the walls from collapsing, allowing them to pop in and out like periscopes. Garden eels simply remain anchored in place and let the ocean bring food to them. They feed on tiny drifting plankton, catching it with their protruding bodies as the current flows past. A colony may contain hundreds of eels, yet each one guards its personal burrow. Move too close to a neighbor? They retreat instantly, polite but firm about personal space. The two most iconic types are spotted or white-spotted garden eel, covered in little dots, and orange-barred garden eel, decorated with striking orange stripes. Their patterns help them blend into the sandy, sunny seafloor. If threatened, in a split second, a garden eel can vanish underground, leaving no trace except a tiny hole. Predators rarely catch them off guard. Mating season leads to a funny sight. Eels stretch toward each other from their burrows as far as they can, sometimes even adjusting their tunnels bit by bit just to get closer. Garden eels thrive in warm tropical waters, especially in the Indo-Pacific, where sunlight and currents bring plenty of drifting food. Garden eels blend camouflage, quirky behavior, engineering skill, and synchronized movement into one of the most hypnotic displays in nature. They turn an empty seafloor into a living, breathing meadow, a perfect reminder of how magical the ocean can be.